Control motors in sequence after time delay. Welcome everyone. Today we are exploring a method of controlling three-phase motors in sequence with a 10-second time delay. For this project we have integrated two start and stop push buttons. When the start button is pressed, M1 and after a 10 delay second, M2 turns on automatically. Pressing the stop button turns off both motors.
Let's now review the pre-written control program in CODESYS using the virtual PLC and evaluate how it meets the project requirements. The project has been successfully tested using the CODESYS virtual PLC. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.